You know what I love? Home fragrances, scented candles, incense, whatever it is, you know? I live in an older building, which is kind of damp, so I love having a scented candle going just to keep everything smelling fresh. But what I don't like is open flames all over the place. I'm a little clumsy, okay? And I tend to sleep in a really can-can style, kicking and whipping comforters around, which is why I'm very excited that I went ahead and purchased myself Happy Wax, an innovative new wax warmer with a soy wax melt kind of bear shape. You might have seen this advertised on your Instagram feed, which is why I thought it would be the perfect candidate for a brand new installment of trying Instagram products. Will Happy Wax make me happy? Wax? Let's find out. Hello television viewers, my name is Nick. Thank you so much for joining me once again on my channel this evening for a Happy Wax review. Another installment of trying Instagram products. This is the playlist where we pick up those products that are heavily advertised in your Instagram feed and we take them home to see if they are worth the money. Will it be? We'll find out. But first, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see even more trying Instagram products. T-I-P. But most importantly, if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you click that subscribe button. It looks just like that. That way you never miss new videos from me. Turn on the notifications because I upload 2 new videos every week. You don't want to miss it. I thought that window opened on its own and I had a heart attack. Okay, let me stab into this really fast just so that I can get the scissors out of here because I keep gesturing with them and it's also dangerous. I'm like, open flames, sharp things, don't keep them around me. There's a fragrance already when I open the box. To remind myself what I purchased, I'll open this box. Ooh, our Happy Wax. This is our signature wax warmer with a no-scrape silicone dish. That is truly the reason why I was like, oh yeah, Happy Wax, you know what's up. I don't want to be scraping dried wax out of some ceramic dish. That's not what I went to school for. I got the one that has like a linen sort of wrapper. You know, it's wrapped in fabric. It has a linen look. I love it. And then I had to buy some waxes, okay? So I got this cute little one, scented Soy Melt. All of these are like gummy bear shaped. They're so cute. I can't wait to show you. It says that these have 1,000+ hours of burn time in every tin. That's a lot. All natural soy wax, fun mixable shapes. So this one is calming lavender. That makes sense because I use lavender essential oils in my bedtime routine, so it makes sense that I would want calm lavender in my dish. This one is Winter Wonderland Mix, which includes winterberry, sugar and spice, and evergreen tree. I love a holiday scented candle, okay? And this is exactly what that is. So I can see why based on just the names I picked these, but they were pretty affordable. Let's unbox the warmer itself, get it plugged in, and start melting some Happy Wax. Here we go. Ooh, some cards for some free melts and an instruction manual. I bet you I won't even need that because it seems like I just have to plug it in. Okay, so here we go. She's beautiful. Okay, so here's that silicone dish that I'm so excited about. You just melt the wax in there. Look, you see that little bear shape? Branding. And that way afterwards you can just pop the wax out and store it for another day. It looks like the inner dish is ceramic, which is great. Oh, I saw in the thing, this matters. I just realized what makes trying Instagram products if we don't watch the Instagram ad that made me purchase this. The shot is a mess right now. What is up? Okay, here we go. This is gonna tell us everything we need to know.
Happy Wax is an innovative way to experience flame-free, natural home fragrance. Our patent-pending signature wax melt warmer features a 3, 6, and 9-hour timer. Simply place your wax melts in the warmer, set the timer, and go. Our tabletop wax warmers feature both a ceramic tray and silicone dish for easy wax melt removal. Shop now at happywax.com.
Okay, oops, the camera's still there. So as you heard, this is a 3, 6, and 9-hour timer, which is perfect because I always put my aromatherapy diffuser on a 3-hour timer. That way it just like turns off while I'm sleeping. Okay, I'm gonna plug this in and now let's look again. There we go. Now that's the kind of top-down view we need for this. I'm gonna start with the holiday scented soy melts because that's the time of year it is. Let's open them up. Ooh, so beautiful, tri-colored. Look at these cute little wax melts. Is it weird that I instantly want to eat them? It says right on the bag, don't eat them, but you know, I want to. They have such a nice, fun texture. It smells like my favorite time of year in Bath & Body Works. I want to smell each individually. White, that must be winterberry. Red must be sugar and spice. Mmm, that's nice and spicy. And then green, this is evergreen tree. Ooh, yeah, that's my favorite. What should we do? I guess we should do some reds. What does the instructions say, just so I know? It doesn't really give you a tip on how many bears to add, so I'm just gonna do a couple of each. There's 4 red, and now these really feel like candy and I'm hungry. Green. This is also really holiday color. There's 1 more green for good measure. Okay, now let's turn it on for 3 hours. Ooh, it glows a little bit. I wonder how long these will take to melt. You know what we need? A time-lapse video of these melting. So that's what you're getting. It's gonna take me time, but you're gonna see a smooth melt. That's filmmaking, baby. Ooh, what do you think of that satisfying wax sequence? Did it melt before your eyes? Do you love it? That whole period in real time was about a half hour, 20-something minutes, and throughout that period of time, I was able to enjoy the home filling with the fragrance of both wintergreen and, no, what was it? Wintergreen, pine, sugar and spice, and evergreen tree. You get a really nice fragrance from it. I want to add some of this winterberry to see what happens, because why not? It's fun to add them. And now, turn it off to see what happens when it solidifies. You know, the main thing I look for when I'm trying a new home fragrance is it detectable? Meaning it can't just be something I have to walk up and be able to smell. It should fill the home or the room with fragrance. And is it long lasting? Because as I said, it's really annoying to have to burn through wax all the time. I also really like the idea of being able to try a lot of different fragrances from day to day. I don't like being tied down to one candle. Let me just burn that forever. And in that way, Happy Wax is checking off a lot of boxes for me. I love that with that silicone dish, I can pop things in and out and I can mix my own sort of, oops, bye bear. I can mix my own sort of combination of fragrances with these little bears. The fragrance itself is really very powerful, you know, in a good way. It's detectable in the room. I can tell as this continues to waft that I'm getting just as much room-filling fragrance as I would when I burn a candle. But now it's much safer. I would be able to keep this near my bed without worrying about kicking it over. I mean, I still don't want to spill hot wax everywhere, but hey, if I do, that's on me and I can clean it up. I don't have to worry about burning the whole house down. Plus, with these little sample packs like this calming lavender one, I can go in and try a bunch of different fragrances to see which ones I like before I go in for one of the half-pounder bags like this. Let's open up the lavender one and see how these smell, since I probably won't be melting them in this video. Oh, that's like a pure lavender. It's like essential oils, lavender. I love lavender. I think I've said that many times, but this is good. This is a good lavender. Oh look, this little bear has extra bits. I want to eat them so bad. Someone should make like white chocolate gummy bears, you know? Because I would buy those and just eat those. Oh look, my wax thing is dry. Ooh, cool. As promised, it hardened in this silicone dish. Let's pry it away. Ooh. Cool. You guys, it's just like we always wanted, a disc of wax with a bear on it. And now it's ready to put somewhere. Wow, you guys, this is even more fun. I want to eat this too. Why does every type of wax make me want to eat it? I love seeing those bears encased inside the wax. I wish I could eat it, but I won't. I'm just gonna smell it. I'm so happy with this purchase. I'm really glad I got the Happy Wax. I can't wait to try some other fragrances. I think that there will be some more fun ones to explore. The Calming Lavender is so nice. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so I can show you my stories when I do my little bedtime routines there. What do you guys think of Happy Wax? Would you prefer this type of silicone wax melter over the traditional wax warmers that use a candle and ceramic? Let me know in the comments below. You can check out Happy Melt using the links in the description below. But most importantly, give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you click that subscribe button. It looks like that right down there. That way you never miss new videos from me. I upload 2 new ones every week, so make sure you turn on notifications to join the Nick D crew. You guys are all the greatest. Thank you for getting full of happy wax and happy smells with me today. I will see you next time.